Hello once again. Remember, let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. Today fake is now increasing and fake is gaining about 19% increase on volume, and fake is on rise, hitting 5% increase in price today. 5% today is good, it's amazing. So I believe fake token every day, in fact the past 3 days, fake token have continued to increase gradually. Today increasing by 5% is good, and of course the volume today actually rise up to 19%. Now the daily volume today is about $195,330 volume. This is a coin that the trading volume on 24 hours, sometimes you see hitting over 500,000 and $1 million trading volume in 24 hours. But fake token have really dropped. That is why, all this while, on the way from about $25 million market cap, now fake is trading between 23 million plus. I don't know what is really going on this time around, but I think fake token need to plan well, because if Shiba Doge, if Tectonic token, if some of these coins are gaining a lot this period, fake token I believe will have started gaining, because fake token is one of the coins we believe that in 2023 people have been actually predicting, and people have been buying this coin. And with all the listing they have, because they have more exchange that have listed this coin than Shiba Doge, than Tectonic token, than some of these small cap coins. So I believe to tell the holders that it doesn't mean that fake token is really going down, but this coin I believe is still going to increase in price, because I believe the developers are actually working hard to get it back on track. You might be surprised to see fake token ends next month with a market cap of over $40 million. Okay, look at Shiba Doge. Nobody knew that from the beginning of this year, 1st of January, Shiba Doge started increasing price. Today, Shiba Doge have gained over $30 million market cap within the space of 30 days. So fake token, I think developer actually proposed that they will start massively burning fake token, which I believe is going to help this coin. Burning of fake token will help this coin to stand, and not just burning, this should also bring in other try to partner with other exchanges. Okay, so if they can do that, fake token is definitely going to increase in price. But today is good for fake token. Today is wonderful for fake token. Already 5% increase in price today. That is good for fake token. Imagine you're trading with a $1,000. I mean, you must have earned $50 already, but I still believe this coin is going to increase in price. Please do not invest what you cannot afford to lose in any crypto coins, because this is crypto industry where anything can happen. Remember, this is not the financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.